So, how do you think Mind in the Making fits in within the Suncoast campaign for grade level reading?
Mind in the Making fits in beautifully with it because it touches on the family engagement and getting the parents to engage with their children again, and school readiness. It taps into that piece as well. Something as simple as focus and self-control, the first of the 7 skills. If a preschool teacher is taking it, she learns strategies to get children to sit down and put a puzzle together or play a game. That's teaching them to sit still to listen to a story. Listening to a story leads to learning to read a story. And they just continue to build on one another. If it's being promoted at school and at home, that's the ideal situation.
hmm How do you think you've touched on this before, but how do you think with family engagement, how do you think Mind in the Making engages parents and families?
Well, I know for one situation where it was at an elementary school, it resulted in parents working out carpools and play dates. So it was families with families. I know another situation at a preschool where moms decided to volunteer together on the same day. So that was connecting families with each other and families with the school. But again, most importantly, the playing the board games at home, helping build the child's vocabulary, but doing it all while having fun. It's not just sitting down and saying, you should do this, you could do this, here, let's work on this workbook and learn how to communicate or a perspective take, but it's actually doing it in fun ways that's promoting it both in the adult and the child.